Okay, well, you got Jim Robertson and Kenny on another ATV adventure. Today is what, April 3rd, 2016. We're parked off Randsburg Road here. We're right at the trailhead for EP11 and 110. We're gonna do a loop today, go around 110, show Jim some old mining stuff, and we'll end up coming back down EP11 here at the end of the day. We're gonna have hamburgers for lunch.
Right on.
Looking forward to that, right?
Yes, we are.
So we'll see you on the trail.
Okay, well, we're getting ready to take off. There's Jim. Jim, say hi.
Howdy do.
Okay, off we go.
Everything seems to be working okay.
Good. Are you in two-wheel drive or four?
Four.
Okay.
Four high.
Yeah. Okay, now we're actually on 186. We came off 186 from 110 back there, and we're intersecting with 146.
Okay.
And I wanted to take Jim up here through the Narrows. It's kind of a fun spot. Little drop off here, Jim.
A little bit, but it's sandy.
Yeah, this is actually a nice little wash, especially if it was wet. Anyways, we'll film more when we get up here.
Okay, I'm going to drop back just a little bit.
Okay. Well, Jim just pointed out we got some wildflowers growing up here,
That's beautiful.
all the way up the hill.
All the way up. Can you imagine after the rain? All the water.
Yeah. Come on up, I'm filming you. Easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy does it. You just wanted to show off. I got all that on film.
All right. That was fun.
Don't scare me.
Or me.
We've had enough mishaps. Now, see where I'm at? In fact, hold on a second after I come up this. Well, actually, if you just follow my track right there, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Perfect. Go to, yeah, that's fine. You're good. Okay. All right, basically that's it. All right, we're here at the beginning of Hobbs Wash. Jim's right there behind me. Now, oh, I should have pointed something out to you while we were down there. Oh, well, we're going to see that later. Actually, no, I don't see it. Anyway,
Look at the top of this hill.
yeah.
Got a little formation going on there.
See the hawk up there? Or
Yes.
some kind of big bird. All right. Onward we go. Ah, I got a little breeze blowing through here now.
Yeah. I like this trail too.
Yeah, fun.
Oh, that feels excellent.
Hey, wait a minute. Now I'm sitting in my own dust. Little red flowers here. I don't know what they are, but they're kind of nice looking.
Indian paintbrush.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. And you got some white ones mixed in maybe, or those are dead ones that already
I don't
bloomed.
know. The grass is starting to turn brown though.
Yep.
If you look to the left here, you'll see this little sign that says Hop Wash
Yeah.
with a Coors can in it. I think that can was there last time I was here.
Huh. Nice beer holder.
Yeah. You ready for a cup of coffee?
Anytime.
I'm ready to put my
Get your belt on.
hernia belt on.
Yeah.
We'll stop up here. There'll be a nice panoramic view up here.
All right, we're at our first coffee break.
Our elevation is 3,346 feet.
Nice. The repair job seems to be working fine.
Oh, good coffee.
As you can see, we're enjoying our coffee. And, like on all my other videos, what a nice day. Wow, it's just gorgeous out here.
What a wonderful desert day.
Yeah. On our return trip, Jim, we're going to be back. We're going to ride along the base of that big mountain over there. That's the El Paso Wilderness, they call it.
Okay, we're on EP21. I'm going to follow Jim. Actually, I'm going to ride right next to him. And we're going to turn on 433 will be our next left turn. Okay, we're here at the intersection of 429 and 21, so we're going to take 429 up. And we'll take this up and meet 433, and then we're going to turn right, but that'll be, I don't know, 2 or 3 miles.
Okay, 433, a right-hand turn.
Yeah. This little breeze feels good, actually.
Yes, it does.
Well, the desert's got a little color to it today. Like a fairly well-traveled trail, huh?
Well-traveled, but very rough. Rocky, very rocky.
Okay, well, we just had lunch.
And a good lunch it was.
Yeah. Nice shape of fun, actually. So we're going to head down here. This is EP 26. We'll catch EP 11 and 146. Cut over towards Holland Mine. So that's our afternoon route. So onward we go. Go ahead, Jim, if you want to lead.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we made it up here to the Holland Mine. Here comes Jim.
The tailings sure have a lot of color.
Yeah. Not sure what they were yanking out of the mountains, but this is what always cracked me up is how on earth did they pour concrete up here?
Okay, there, do what you do.
All right, well, this is the intersection of EP 170 and EP 11, and otherwise known as Casey Junction. So, Casey, this is where you went down. Hopefully you can see my... This is about where your tires were, I think. And then the dirt is still disrupted right there from his right front tire hitting that. Anyways, the rig's back fixed, and Casey's wrist will be good to go in a couple weeks. So no harm, no foul.
Just a slight delay.
Yeah. All right, Casey, I'm going to redo your tracks here. Well, not really. I don't want to get down in there. But this is where you went. Only you went right there. Don't do that again, okay? I'm glad we're laughing about it now.
Yeah.
I wasn't too happy that day. Neither was he. All right. Love you anyways, buddy. So we're heading down Trail 11.
Yeah.
And I'm narrating into my movie here. And I wanted to film this one spot that I took the truck up and over to retrieve the ATV. I think it's coming up here pretty quick. I waved to him, but there's nobody in there. Okay. So as I'm riding down, I see this here, and I'm going, oh boy, I don't know about this. But I went up and over it, both directions. Scraped the license plate of the trailer. That was the only casualty.
I could see where this would give you some pause.
Yeah. Well, when I was heading back up it, I stopped there and I go, there's no way I'm getting up that. Well, as you can see, we made it back, safe and sound. That's the number one important thing.
Absolutely. Safe and sound, lots of fun.
Came down Trail 11 and had a great day. Great lunch.
Woohoo!
So thanks again, Jim. It was,
Thank you, Kenny.
it was a pleasure having you along.
Well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be along.
All right, signing off from whatever road that is out there. Ransford something. Whatever.